If you want to scan a document on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, first of all, we're gonna open the camera. Then over here in the camera, we need to go all the way to the right side where we have our camera modes to open the More section, and you should be able to find the scan option. We want to go over here, and then we can just point at our document, make sure that it is fully visible on the preview, and there we go, we have scanned our page. And of course, we have some additional tools here at the top that you can use if you want to. You can add another page, you can save and finish, or you can retake the current page. Now, as you can see, as you probably noticed, the document is scanned automatically, but you can actually tap on this icon here at the top in order to disable automatic capture. So if you need some time to line it up properly, then you should be able to just turn it off, and then you can just take the picture whenever you are ready, and then you are going to scan that page anyway. There we go. Of course, we also have the flashlight available if needed, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.